A chilly dawn broke over the mountain farm as Emma, a woman seeking solitude and purpose, spotted a lone goat shivering near the fence. Drawn by compassion, she knelt, offering a handful of oats. The goat, wary but hungry, edged closer, accepting her kindness. Over the following weeks, Emma named him Jasper. Their trust grew through shared moments, Emma brushing Jasper's thick coat, Jasper trailing her as she tended the farm, and quiet evenings spent together watching the sunset. One afternoon, dark clouds rolled in, and a fierce blizzard struck. As winds howled and snow piled high, Emma realized Jasper was missing. Heart pounding, she braved the storm, calling his name through the biting cold. She found him trapped near a drift, his eyes wide with fear and exhaustion. Wrapping him in her coat, Emma struggled through the blinding snow, whispering encouragement to keep him calm. Back inside, they huddled by the fire, trembling but safe. In that warmth, Jasper gently nuzzled Emma's hand, a silent thank you. Their bond, forged by survival and trust, became unbreakable. Emma learned that true friendship can emerge in the harshest places, and Jasper showed her the power of trust, courage, and companionship.